Hi, it's Rachel and welcome to my channel, Living Consciously with Rachel. Today I need to find a solution for this. Humble, regularly used if you have children floor cleaner. I think that we clean our floor almost morning and night, especially around the dinner table. So this product I need to fix ASAP. I've been doing a lot of research on natural floor cleaners and there's a couple of different kinds you can do. Predominantly, there's two kind of key factors that are a huge part of it: vinegar and Castile soap. Hello, favorite. And of course, hot boiling water. I can't stress that enough. Hot boiling water is incredibly important. I guess I would say there's 3 hot and important ingredients we're gonna need for floor cleaners: hot boiling water, Castile soap, and vinegar. Whew! Will my house smell like vinegar? Probably. But we can find solutions for that too, don't worry. So I'm going to share how you can make a natural floor cleaner, remove this, and not make it smell just like vinegar. How are we going to fix this very strong vinegar scent? 2 ways. Our friend's essential oil, or let's infuse our vinegar. I did one a little bit earlier. Actually, I did one a week ago. This here is just normal white vinegar inside a glass bottle, and what I put in here is some thyme and grapefruit. You can use any herb that you would like. You can also use any citrus that you would like. I personally just love the smell of grapefruit. It's actually my favorite and I find it incredibly refreshing. I had thyme in the fridge, and I never have thyme because who has enough time for anything? I just happened to have thyme in the fridge, so I thought, why not have some thyme and grapefruit? How long does it take to infuse? It does take a good 3 to 5 days. This is on day 4. Let me have a sniff. Actually, I'm okay with that. It smells very grapefruity. The grapefruit comes out more than the thyme, but I think that's because the thyme is old. How long should you keep the infusion in there? You should keep the infusion in here for, like I said, 3 to 4 days, but definitely take it out after day 6 or 7. That's purely because if you keep it in there for a long period of time, yes, I know vinegar will pickle it, but it might also go moldy if it's not airtight. My recommendation is after 7 days, take out the thyme or the herb that you have and take out the citrus, and then you've just got a really nice infused vinegar that you can use anytime. Don't have time to infuse vinegar? Need to sometimes. All you're going to need to do is add a few drops of essential oil. Any scent will do. Another great thing you could use to infuse your vinegar is just humble juice. Not juice from a carton, humble lemon juice, grapefruit juice, lime juice, orange juice from the orange. A cup of that as well will probably take away that scent. Will this natural cleaner get rid of all the stubborn stains on floors? Yes, yes it will. Do note that the one I am making is purely for concrete floors or tile floors. I only have tiled floors and concrete floors in my house. When you have fantastic heavy wood floors, you might need to see what's a little bit more suited for wooden floors. I think there's some specific ones out there, but this works perfectly fine for concrete and tiles, and it gets out some of those stubborn stains, and I can assure you my son smushes things into the concrete, and I hope this gets it out. So let's just make a natural floor cleaner. It smells great. It's really easy. You can do it anytime that you like. Don't have to have it set up and pre-made. It's a couple simple ingredients. If you want to make it on the go, here's a hot recipe just for you. 1 cup vinegar, 2 squishes of Castile soap, 1 squish of lemon, a few drops of essential oil, and a lot of boiling water. Let's make that one. So I've already put in 2 cups of boiling water in there. I thought it was safer over in the kitchen than over here, but you can probably see there's a little bit of a steam coming off from here. Let's add in some vinegar. 1 cup vinegar. Big squish of Castile soap. I don't actually have any lemons, so I'm not going to make it with some lemon juice. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add some essential oils in here. And I'm just going to do some peppermint, so that seems to be the flavor of my day, eucalyptus and peppermint. So I've just put 10 drops of peppermint essential oil in there, and voila, that's it. Boiling water, vinegar, essential oil, and some Castile soap. See if you get some of these stubborn stains out. Yay! How much hard work that is. What a workout, oh my goodness. I think I was really scrubbing hard to get the stubborn stains out. I couldn't video it because honestly I don't have the dexterity to do that and all of this at once. I think I need to get some more equipment, but the point is you saw me give it a really hot go and I enjoyed doing it because I got out some really great stains. One thing for me that I'm really appreciating is the scent. Like, what a great idea. Vinegar doesn't smell that bad. Adding in the essential oils and the Castile soap, it smells beautiful in here. It smells so nice. I feel like I'm at a day spa. So I'm really happy with this floor cleaner. Oscar just woke up, so great timing. Really happy with this floor cleaner. 1 cup vinegar, 2 cups boiling water, some Castile soap, a screaming baby, and some essential oil. And that's all you need to make your floors sparkle, clean, and smell amazing. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. This is Living Consciously with Rachel. A new step every couple of days to help make your house more cleaner. Okay, adding in the baby because, you know, he just woke up. So please subscribe to my channel. Every week I'm going to drop 3 episodes on how you can live more consciously via cleaning products in your home, composting, plant-based eating, and just general things that I'm learning about becoming a new mama to this little muffin pup. And of course, the reason why we do this, to make sure that the next generation has a better quality of life. Don't do it for yourself, do it for them. Isn't that right, muffin? Does the house smell good, Oscar? Yeah, it does. And there you have it, a natural do-it-yourself floor cleaner with just a few ingredients. And Oscar. Hit subscribe and I'll see you next time.